We manufacture personal skincare and hair care, so we make shampoo, conditioner, body wash.
We ship to Europe, to the Far East, and to United States. The city of Riverside actually was trying to help as much as they could because we were losing the lease on the old building, and they did the best effort that's possible to get our place going again. We used to be in an 85,000 square foot facility from 1994 till 2012. In 2012 we moved to this new location. That's about 160,000 square foot, top of the line equipment, and we give the best service in town.
We are close to many freeways here. We have 3 freeways merged together, 60, 91 to 15. And then we need not too far away also from Ontario Airport. So that's really a big plus.
I mean, the rent is still reasonable, and it's give us the opportunity to purchase a building over here and move forward.
Riverside has a great Chamber of Commerce. Okay, and they, then they have a lot of programs too that connect all the business here in Riverside.
We love to be in Riverside, and we like to keep going and get bigger and bigger.